Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get free courses on Udemy platform. I believe if you are watching this video, you want to get some free courses on Udemy platform without without getting those paid ones, and you want to learn some craft, want to learn some skill set on this learning platform without paying for it or stuff like that. But before the end of this video, I'll be showing you how to get those free courses by yourself without the help of anyone. It's just so simple as anything. So yes, the first and foremost is before you get some free courses on Udemy platform and start learning those free courses, you have to have a Gmail account or email account. So, but in this video, I'll be showing you how to filter out those free courses without access to your Gmail, without logging into your Gmail. But at the end, if you want to sign up for those courses, you want to start learning those courses on your home, you have to log in with your Gmail or with your email. So the first and foremost is that you first and foremost is entering your the Udemy platform browser on your web browser. So the Udemy platform URL is udemy.com. That's the first step. So the second step is using the search menu bar to search for the free courses you want to learn. So for example, if you want to learn Python, if you want to learn Java as a programmer or as a software engineer, beginner software engineer, or what to make use of the search bar. First and foremost is pressing the what URL, then type in the URL of Udemy platform on the web browser, which you have done already, obviously. The second step now is searching for the what course you want to learn. For example, I can decide to pick Java. Yes, let's learn Java, and let's search for it using the search menu bar. Can you see the list of results that have been list of search past results given to us by Udemy, which people have searched for before. So the unique thing about this is that you can really filter out some courses by yourselves without logging in. I think they make the login optional if you want to search for courses. You want to filter out some free courses for yourselves, but if you want to sign up for those courses at the end, sign up for those individual courses at the end, you have to log in your Gmail or your email to start learning those courses. That's what I mean. So can you see, I have searched for what Udemy, I have searched for learn Java, and can you see I have like over 10,000 results here given to me by Udemy. So that means in this search result I have over 10,000 results. So out of those 10,000 results, so some of them are free courses, some of them are paid courses. But here in this video, we have to filter out those free courses because you want to learn this course, you want to learn the skills for free. We don't want to pay. So you have to just follow what I will do now, and when you do it, you will be able to filter out those few courses and start learning. So can you see I'm scrolling down to the end of the page, and can you see by the search bar here, you see the price to go here, and inside this price to go, you see the paid one and the free one. So when you see the paid one and the free one, you have to click on the toggle beside the free courses, and when you click on the toggle beside the free courses, it filter out the free courses for you. When it filter out free courses for you, can able to pick anyone you want. So when you pick anyone you want, you can start learning and start getting those skill sets you want to learn in this year 2024. So that's just how to filter out how to get free courses out of the search result. So I believe you have learned some things today in my video, and I want you to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I believe this video I've taught you how to search Udemy free courses on Udemy platform, and this is just how it is for you. So I can start picking out. I can decide to pick the first result here and send my email, and when I send my email, I can start learning it. I decide to pick second result here. When I pick second result here, I'll check the reviews. If the reviews given to these courses are good reviews, I can start pick the course and start learning by signing in my email or in my Gmail account. So these are the ways of learning any scripts or any skill set or learning any craft. It's just for you to pick it up and start learning, and from there you are good to go. From there you can take up your intern job or take up your tech skills role, your tech skills role. That's what I mean. So I believe you have watched this video to this end. You should have learned how to pick free courses on the Udemy platform with ease without the help of anyone, and I believe you've known much more now. I'm much more better now with what I've showed you in this video. So can you see all these ones are free courses? You just pick the ones you want based on people's review, based on other people's review on the courses, and start learning from there. So I think you have like over what can you see? You have over 5,000, almost like 6,000 results that are free courses for learning Java. So that's just those are the things you benefit to enjoy when you pick up a learning platform and filter out the courses, free courses you want to filter out and start learning. So I believe if you've watched the video to this moment, you've learned how to get free courses on Udemy and start learning. And when you start learning, you start getting some skill set and all what you need to change your life. So I believe this video has been helpful and productive for you. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll be posting more and more coding videos and tech videos like this. And when you like and subscribe, the notification of the next video will be shown to you on your notification bar. So thank you so much for watching my video, and bye for now.